guys, Kent Sherry here, Blessed Farm. I'm driving over here to the small town and there's a tornado watch. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's lightning all around me. It's getting worse as I'm driving closer here.
There you go, guys. As a tornado came through our area in northeast Texas, lost a few lives, mostly just damage to property and some animals. It's pretty bad up here, but my family made it through unscathed, and most of my friends and family are just fine. A lot of debris, a lot of trees down, but keep us all in your prayers. Like I said, a lot of property damage, but not very many lives were lost. But there were 6 I know of. Pretty sad, but everyone else made it through just fine. Keep us all in your prayers. Make sure you like, subscribe to videos, and you see us here and on Facebook and Instagram. I appreciate y'all's prayers, and God bless.